The Roland TD-07KVX Drum Bundle offers an authentic drumming experience with its revolutionary mesh head pads that provide realistic stick resistance and rebound, similar to an acoustic drumhead. Built with tough stands and high-quality hardware, this electronic drum set ensures a stable foundation, allowing you to perform with confidence during long practice sessions or live performances. Featuring easy connectivity through Bluetooth technology, this drum kit lets you enjoy interactive practice sessions by streaming your favorite songs wirelessly from your phone, tablet, or computer. The hassle-free recording interface allows for seamless integration with music production software, enabling you to record discrete audio and MIDI drum tracks or trigger sounds in software-based drum instruments. This comprehensive bundle includes essential accessories such as a drum throne, drumstick bag, 3 pairs of drumsticks, a 3.5mm audio cable, and a polishing cloth, ensuring you have everything needed to start playing. While the package does not include a kick pedal or hi-hat stand, it is designed to provide a complete drumming setup for both beginners and experienced drummers.